Hey y'all, Sniper Trader here. It is Sunday, January 28, 2024. I started doing my pre-week uh, chart setups, and I thought, oh, I should make a video about this. So I'm going to title this video, Mastering the Art of Day Trading, Nasdaq, Full Setup Breakdown. So here we go. I've got a weekly chart pulled up because I want to do a 20-day range, 20-day look back, I believe is what ICT calls it. And he does like a 20-day. So I figure what's the easiest way to get to a 20-day is 4 weeks, right? So I've marked the low and the high of the previous 4 weeks, which is my 20-day look back low and my 20-day look back high. And then I also made a 50% line in purple there, which would be the constant encroachment or just half in the middle. And then please ignore these for right now because they are based on a daily chart, which I'm about to show you. Whoops. Okay, here's a daily chart. These volume imbalances you can see here. Way down here, there's one from this candle's close to this candle's open. And then here is another one. I need to fix this one actually. Messed up or something. Okay, these are areas that may get hit in the future. They are pretty far away from price action right now. Okay, this rectangle here I put on here myself. I don't think ICT teaches this, but Al Brooks, who I also learned from, teaches measured moves. This gray box reflects a measured move based on the January downtrend we had. So the sell off in January is equal to the height of this gray box. So it is possible that we do that. So that's why I have it here. Now, if we go down to a 1 hour chart, we can kind of see where we're at and look at our levels here. Like this here looks like a pretty good level, this 17,480-ish. It's kind of acted as support and resistance. I think I actually like to use 17,470. Need to get out of this full screen mode here so I can see my tools. I'm going to draw a horizontal line here. I'm going to color it green since we're above it right now. I'm gonna set this for 17,470 just because that's a nice psychological round even number. As you can see, we've kind of bounced all around it and we've actually held there on Friday. So the thing is we're going to be is we going to hold this level this week, or we're going to start working on this major measured move, possibly head back down to this 50% of our 20-day look back. So this is just kind of a major starting point here. As you can see, this is our high we've already got in here. Now, right now, this is kind of the low we're watching. We're either going to bounce and go back up, or we're going to break below and possibly come back up and retest this level here. Let's go down to like a 15-minute chart. Our level's still looking good. Could almost even put another level right in here. 17,590 to 17,600. We'll just use 17,600 because it's nice and round. Let's do that. We'll make it red since price is below it. Make that a nice round number. Yeah, we're kind of in like a 100 to 150 point range, it looks like. So this is kind of how I start my week. As y'all know, if you've watched my videos, I like to use a 1-minute chart for trading. Let's see what a 5-minute looks like. You could almost put a 17,500 level, but since my gray box measured move is kind of sitting there, I'm just going to leave that. I'll just have to keep an eye on the top of this gray box area for my 17,500 level. Now on to the goodies. 1-minute chart. What I'm going to do when the market opens, oh, I need to do something real quick. I need to mark previous days high and low. I usually use a blue line for this. I'm just going to call it Friday 126 high. Make another one. We'll call that one Friday 126 low. So that marks my Friday daily range. Back to a 5-minute chart. Trying to rush this, but I've never really done it during a recording, so bear with me. I've got my highs and my lows. We were down to the 1-minute, weren't we? So what I'm going to do when the market opens tonight at 1800, This is futures. Futures open at 6 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday night. I'm going to mark where we open. I usually use a gold line for that. And then when we strike midnight, I'm going to mark that open. ICT teaches that that's the true daily open, at least for futures, I believe. I don't know about other markets. So I like to keep the opens and closes and midnight open. And I also mark I already said that, the 1800 or 6 p.m. Sunday night open. And then what I'm going to do is in the morning, I'm going to start marking fair value gaps, whether they're bearish or bullish or whatever. Y'all seen me trade those before. So I'm going to do that. And then I erased everything on this chart just so it would be clean for this video. But I also have previous day opens and closes marked normally, because sometimes price will migrate towards those. I guess we could mark those real quick just for fun. 1559 close is down here. Make that gold. We're going to call this Friday 126 close. Then I need to go back here to the open. And mark that one. Let's see, where's 930 at? 30. There's the 930 open. Call this Friday 126 open. Save my chart. Go back to where we were. So now I've got yesterday's, last trading day's open and close. How can that be the high? Well, I guess it is the high because we just went down all day. No? Hmm. Sure what's going on here. How can that be the high? It's weird. Redo that one. The high is right there. Sorry for the confusion, folks. That looks much better. Now my previous low and high are marked, and my open and close. So, yep, we're just waiting for the market to open now tonight, and we'll start marking fair value gaps tonight or in the morning. Kind of just depends on what I'm doing and whether I'm watching or not. Sometimes the after hours fair value gaps will get traded into during the daytime. Anyway, this video has been long enough. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Sniper Trader out.